Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making the best red beans and rice. Here are my ingredients: celery, garlic, green bell pepper, onion, hocks, smoked sausage. Here are all my spices: creole seasoning, Cajun seasoning, chicken bouillon, black pepper, W sauce, olive oil, and of course I'm using small red beans. If you don't want to use small red beans, feel free to use kidney beans. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I like to cook my hocks two ways, either in a pot or in a crock pot. If you decided to go with a pot, just place your hocks in it and make sure you cover this with water and cook it until it's fork tender. And if you decided to use a crock pot, go ahead and place your hocks in here and make sure you cover them with water. So I am going to cook these on high for 4 hours or until they are fork tender. We'll see you then. First, we're going to chop our vegetables. Now take your garlic and we are going to mince them. After we're done mincing our garlic, go ahead and grab your sausage and we are going to thinly slice them. Just like so. Now set them aside. In a large pot over medium heat, add your olive oil and your sausage. So now we are going to cook these until they are slightly brown in color. After 5 minutes, our sausage are ready. Now add your vegetables. After adding the vegetables, go ahead and cook this for about 10 to 12 minutes. While our vegetables are cooking, we are going to get our beans ready. I like to go in and just make sure that there's no bad beans, like this one. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but that's a bad one. And sometimes these bags have rocks in them, so you just go in and just make sure that you clear all the rocks and bad beans out. Here's another one. Now we are going to give this a quick wash. Look how dirty this water is. Guys, if you'd like to pre-soak your beans overnight in the fridge, that is perfectly fine. But I kid you not, I've never pre-soaked my beans and they always come out just fine. Now that our beans are nice and clean, go ahead and set them aside. After 10 minutes, our veggies looks good. Now add in your garlic. And we're going to cook this for another minute. Now add in 7 cups of water. Add in your W sauce, Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning, and as of right now, I'm only adding half of Maggie cube. Guys, just wanted you to know that I only added half of our spices because at the last 30 minutes of cooking the beans, I'll be adding in my hocks, and we want to make sure that this is not too salty. So we'll be tasting this at the very end, and if we do need to add the rest of our seasoning, we'll go ahead and do that. Now add in your red beans. Hey guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. So I am going to cook this for 2 hours before adding in our hocks. So go ahead and cover this with a lid, and we'll see you then. After 4 hours, our hocks are done. So we are going to place them in a bowl. And 3 cups of the broth. So after 2 hours, this is how our beans are looking. They are looking amazing. So now what you want to do is take your hocks and pour it right in here. Now taste it to see if you need to add any more seasoning. It tastes good, but I still need to add the rest of the seasoning. So go ahead and add some Creole seasoning. The last of our Maggie cube. Cajun seasoning. And our black pepper. Now we're going to allow this to cook on medium-low for about 30 to 40 minutes. Take a look at my red beans and rice. It looks fantastic. How about that taste test? Oh my gosh, this is the best. Like, I love making red beans and rice. It's one of my family's favorite, and my mouth is watering. Here you go. Mmm. Mmm. I'll see you guys later.